Good morning. I am from Operating System SCCR 2023 Section 3. I'm going to present in this presentation the system of book allocation management system with a technology of best fit and first fit. So first, I'm going to present my group member, which is me, Taiwan Jun, second, Brandon Nguyen, and third, Mohammed. And then I'm going to explain the problem in the old system. Why there is a problem in the old system that made me and my group mate to develop a new system for the library. So in the old style library, there is always new material made available all the time. So the librarian always receive new books arrive at the library. And second, the old system has a problem of displaying the new material, which is when the librarian receives the new books, he or she is facing a problem to displaying the new book in the shelf. And third one, the librarian has to always arrange the new book arrive at the librarians at the library in the shelf. And fourth, there is a large number of books on the same subject. For example, the book with the same category of fiction can be accessed with a quantity of 500 in the same library. And fifth, there is a wasted space in the old style of library. And sixth, the old style library is very unorganized without a system of book allocation. So that's why we have built this system of book allocation with a technology of first fit and best fit. And next, I'm going to explain the objective that we building this system for the library. First, we want to maintain a net arrangement of material in the library. Secondly, we want to make sure all the shelves are utilized properly with no wasted space in it. And third, we want to demonstrate how partition allocation algorithm like first fit and best fit works. And next, I'm going to explain the scope of this project. So first, the project will only be for library that have physical material. So it won't be made for the library that storing ebooks. However, it only made for the library that have physical books such as journal or the textbook. Second, this program is developed to help book management system. So it will help the librarian to store the book and arrange the book. Thirdly, this program will be developed using HTML and JavaScript language, which is HTML is made for the front end of the web system and JavaScript is made for the functioning of the website. And fourth, a demonstration of the program will be held to demonstrate how the program works. And next, I will pass to Brandon Nguyen to describe the significance of this program.
Okay, so my name is Brendan. I'll be explaining the significance of our project. So our project will be able to allow the librarian manage new book categories efficiently, as well as provide an understanding on how to allocate the book with optimal efficiency. It will also be able to manage book allocation using fixed and dynamic memory allocation, and as well as allowing librarians to work efficiently in terms of book management. So next will be the methodology. So for the methodology, we searched for a real-world example of first fit and best fit algorithm, as well as do more research about the algorithms. So we then develop a program that can be implemented in a library system to provide help in terms of book management through the usage of first fit and best fit algorithms. So basically, we use the Google search engine to look for the resources, and the search terms that were used are library management, book management, first fit, best fit, and problems in the library. So after the research was done, we had a basic understanding of what the expected output of the program should be, and we created a flowchart to have a better understanding of the flow. So through the research that was done, we found out that the proper stacking methods are required for the books in order to ensure maximum space is being utilized in the library. And the availability of space in the library will determine the type of bookshelf that will be used. Memory management algorithms such as the first fit and best fit algorithm can help with the book allocations in libraries. And the first fit algorithm is time efficient as no time is wasted, and the first shelf that can fit the books will be selected for the book management. And best fit algorithm will ensure that no space is wasted and the best shelf that can fit the books shall be selected for the book management. This ensures that there is efficient space management in the library. And next is the flowchart. So the flowchart will start and we insert the amount of book and category. But I think I won't go into much detail because we have a demo session. So next, I'll pass to my teammate for the demo session. Thank you.
So this is the prototype of the application to demo the first fit and best fit algorithm. It's divided into, this web page is divided into three main sections. The first one is this section here, which shows or tells the user all about the first fit and best fit algorithm. So first fit being the algorithm that is time efficient because the books are allocated to any shelf with the suitable size, the first shelf with the suitable size. But the best fit is space efficient because it searches for just the right fit, so it doesn't waste any space. Then this section here is where the user inputs the amount of books and the category of the books, and then they choose which algorithm they want to run. And this section here just depicts the shelves with their capacity and their category. And yeah, so let me show you a couple of input and what the output would be. So let's say I want to add 50 books of the category fiction. So if I say 50 and then the category is fiction. So if I were to run the first fit, just judging by the, like when we just look at the shelves here, this is gonna be the one chosen because it's the first shelf with enough amount and it fits the category. So if I run the first fit algorithm, yeah, this one is selected. But if I run the best fit algorithm, let's see. So this is clearly this one is clearly the best fit because it has only it has just enough space for the 50, but not as much as this one has. So if I run the best fit, it's gonna select this one here. Now another example, if let's say we want to run thriller. So if I wanted to add 100 books of type thriller, first fit will give me this shelf because it's the first shelf that can fit the 100 books. But best fit is gonna give me this shelf because it has enough. It has just enough for the 100 books, and it doesn't waste space just like this one. So if I tried first fit, it gives me this one, and if I try best fit, it gives me this one. So yeah, this is if the categories already exist, like thriller and fiction, they already exist. But what if a category does not exist? Like what if I were to say nonfiction books? I don't know how to spell that, but it doesn't matter. So if I say 100 books of nonfiction and it doesn't find it here, so it will allocate a new shelf entirely. So if I were to say first fit, it doesn't find a shelf with such a thing, and it just adds a new category with a new shelf. Same goes if let's say I'm trying to add an amount which is not enough. So let's say I want to add 300 books of sci-fi, and none of these books is none of these shelves can hold 300 more books. So let's say 300 of type sci-fi, and if I click first fit or best fit, it doesn't matter. It's going to create a new shelf for sci-fi because none of these shelves can contain the 300 books. So that's it for the demo of this prototype. Thank you.